Tutorial for testing charger and battery voltage. Required tool, multimeter. Step 1. Test the charger voltage. Plug the charger into power. Wait for the green indicator light to turn on. Then switch on the multimeter. Turn the dial to the 200 VDC voltage range. Use the multimeter probes to test positive and negative terminals. The measured voltage is 54.5 Vi, which is normal. Step 2. Test battery voltage. Flip on the red power switch of the battery. Keep the multimeter range unchanged. Measure the positive and negative terminals on the back of the battery. A reading no lower than 29 V is norma.